Okay, I've been asked to have a look at question 20 from Gamma exercise 4.14. And the reason is because the answer in the back, I've been told, doesn't match the answer they get on the equation. So I'd be interested to see if the equation itself, the answer itself is actually incorrect. And this happens, quite frequently, actually. But I've got no idea. I haven't actually solved this one. So let's give it a go. Lots of different ways you could solve this. Um, I'm going to do it the way which I probably would do it if I was just doing algebraic fractions, and I'm not going to worry about the inequality at this stage. I'm just going to solve the bit on the left-hand side and then see where it takes me in terms of the inequality. So I'm going to go, that implies that, and I'm going to have a long vinculum, or 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm after a common denominator, but I'm going to go 5 lots of that. So 5 lots of x plus 6. And by the way, when we're subtracting algebraic fractions, or any fractions actually, really important if you've got a negative in the middle, to go top left to bottom right. Don't start here, top right to bottom left, and put the answer on the left-hand side with the minus in between. That's how you're going to end up subtracting the wrong number from the wrong number. All right, so let's go 3 times this thing here, which is going to be minus 3 lots of 2x minus 9, and I've got greater than or equal to 1. I'm going to expand out those brackets, so I'm going to have 5x is 5x, 5 6s are plus 30, minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x, minus 3 times minus 9 is plus 27, all over 15 is greater or equal to 1. That wasn't a very good greater and equal sign. Okay, let's collect like terms. So that implies that we've got a 5x and a minus 6x, which is a minus x. I've got 30 plus 27, which is, 57. So I'll put plus 57. And that's all over 15. And that's greater or equal to 1. All right, so now I'm in a great position to say, well, let's do something with this 15 here. So 15 times 1, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. So take all this and multiply it by 15, and multiply this by 15. So here we go, 15 divided by 15. So I've got negative x is greater or equal to 15. And I'm going to have, I'm going to subtract, I'll go plus 57 to start with here. Now I'm going to subtract the 57 from both sides, 57 minus the 57, and let's see where we go. So x is now, that becomes 0, is greater or equal to, 15 minus 57, that's going to be negative 42. So in order to find x, I'm just going to divide both sides, or in fact, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1. That would do it. So x is now less than or equal to 42. And that would be my answer. Yeah, I don't agree with whatever answer they happen to have. Their answer, by the way, was negative 12. I can't concur with that, I'm afraid. So I think that this is the correct answer. And x, in fact, is less than or equal to positive 42. So that would be my solution, folks, to Gamma exercise 4.14, question 20. You have a go at it yourself and let me know, do you get the same as I do, or do you get something different? Be really interesting to find out. Thanks, folks. Let me know.